Hello, trading is closed on February 4th, 2019. Let's go over our call. Look for the pattern with the early low and the late high. We got that. We said we should trade higher in the overnight session. We got that. We said we should promptly take out this low and ideally this one. We promptly took out this low, but not that one. Had we gapped under this one, I think we had a perfect setup for the end of this rally, but that didn't happen. During the day, MEJT said this rally's false. Here I gave a buy. That worked. Said the rally's false. Also an ultimate sell signal. Targets are 2701.46. Most likely to print by early Wednesday. And ultimately, meaning no time limit, 2698.74. Well, if we gap up, it's probably out of reach. If we don't gap up by Wednesday morning, that's my call, 2701.46. Now, you all know how I feel about walls at the end of the day. We rallied all day long with 5 minutes left, couldn't take over the middle of the day high, all of a sudden buying without restraint. The idea is it's not serious money and the specialists will be forced to sell into the wall of buyers and they'll get the money back promptly by taking out this low promptly and ideally this one. I'll tell you, when you rally all day long, the signal doesn't work as often as if you have a wishy-washy day. But futures are down, there still might be something to it. Just don't bet all your chickens or count all. I wouldn't count all my chickens when you're rallying like that. I don't really bet money too much on DeMark's combo sell signals anymore, but that's bar 13. If the signal works, you say, well, I told you so, but these have failed too many times for me. I'll just say there's the signal. We are still waiting for the next leg in the Fed whipsaw. It should be up, down, up. If it works, and you won't know for sure till we undercut this level convincingly, we're now 65 points over. You should go 65 points under it, under 2,500. We're also waiting for this leg to end. I could frankly make this can go over 2,800 and not shock me. But that doesn't mean we have to go that high, and I have some numbers along the way that work. Today's number I can justify, but not with the same conviction I would have had we gapped under this low. So, tomorrow's pattern has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. If we don't gap and take this high out early, my target's 2710.46 by early Wednesday, ultimately 2698.74. Futures are down, and if we do gap down smartly and undercut these lows really within an hour, hour and a half, I can make a case for this being the end of the move. But that hasn't happened yet, and I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying if it happens, you can make a case for this being the end of the move. Otherwise, absent a gap up, that's my target, and that's today's call.